It's a very rainy day.
That was one of the greatest. Do you want to see a dick move? No!
That yell, that was just such a good yell. Fucker.
Like I know if you have the video games, you can see it before. Oh, I think they're breaking up. Oh wait, it's not video.
Huh? Oh shit, there's a car. It's quite the rainy day. This is the bar street. We're doing it. Dude, I think my umbrella is like leaking in the middle because I just got water all over my glasses. You see it? The farmer's market. I should not have walked this way. I just like walked twice as far as I needed to. Are we gonna rendezvous? Are we rendezvousing at the bottle bar?
Yeah, rendezvous at the bottle bar.
Rendezvous. Alright. See you in a few. Yeah. This is the shit, man. This is where I live. Go down this street and to the right. Alright. I'm going to stop recording right now.